Thank you, Sanjaka. Mr. Atlonga, all the directors and location GMs and the RC members. I'd first like to thank whoever thought of naming me for this position and who proposed me for this prestigious position. And I will work to the best of my ability to preserve the trust you have in me. I would then like to congratulate the past president, Mr. Manjula Jeevananda. I think for all that he has achieved during the last year, it was a difficult year, and for all what he has achieved, I think we are better off for the service rendered by him and his team. So we should congratulate him. And I'd like to congratulate all the new elected location representatives, the VPs, and the office bearers. Let's give a hand for them as well. Okay, now I'll come to the most eagerly awaited part of a new RC president's speech, the part about the president's party. All I can tell you is I will let you know the venue and the date in the very near future. Now, moving on. I joined DMS just over 7 years ago to the baby of the group, to the software department as it was known then. We were just over 10 employees. It was a small secluded location. Before I joined, I had looked up what DMS was all about, and I had heard that it was a big player in the IT field in Sri Lanka. But in this small secluded location, I was getting a different picture. It was around this time that I had attended the first RC event, and that was where I realized what DMS was all about. These were the times of Nalindra Verapitias, Rehan De Silvas as presidents. And I remember a sense of deep camaraderie between the different RC members of the different locations. And there was strict discipline at those events. I was immediately hooked on to the concept of RC and began to actively get involved as a representative from my location and then as a vice president. Since then, I've seen RC evolve up to now. I will like to ask for your help, and I look forward to working with you to once again rekindle the spirit of RC. I think a spirit where we need to show ourselves not as a collection of software companies or a collection of hardware companies. We need to show ourselves as DMS. I think that's what binds DMS together. So I think that was a spirit envisioned by the founder members. So I want your help for that. Thank you very much.